Hi guys, this is another two fly that already did at another tree. So this tree is so big. You can see it's so big. And after this fly die, actually they restructure their body into a new life. Reborn, we can call it like reborn, and then they get a new life, and then they go to sing a song on the top of the tree, and then they remain their body everywhere. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. Support my channel. Actually, they're just beautiful. They're just very amazing. So you can see the picture up close up. So that is another big tree. I suppose there would be a lot of flies on the top of this tree. Oh, it's so beautiful.